Hey everybody, welcome back to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to change the imaging kit or drum on the new VersaLink B625. First thing you'll do, open that front door to the left, grab the orange handle on your toner, pull straight out. Underneath where that toner was is another orange handle. Pull straight out, and that will release that imaging unit. Now when removing your imaging unit, you want to make sure not to touch or nick that blue surface on the bottom. It's very sensitive. To go back in with your new one, you have little black wheels on each side of the top. Those little black wheels will sit on these guides. You just lay those wheels down there and give it a good push to the inside of the machine like that, and then go all the way in with a click. Take your toner, and it has guides on each side of it that go into the same locations. You'll set it inside, give it a good push and a click, and then you'll close your front door. Hey guys, if you want to see more quick how-to videos on this same model, click right here. As always, thank you so much to our viewers for watching our how-to videos here at the Printing Workshop. If these videos help you in any way, please like and subscribe.